Hello, my friends. Ascension of planet Earth to the fifth dimension. If the question is, what is wrong on planet Earth? Is the answer everything from food, agriculture, language, education, health, technology, science, sports, money, business, and much more? Unfortunately, we have shown no respect, no love, and no value for everything we have on our planet. We have learned to explore the planet without respect, compassion, or thinking about the future and possible consequences, because we thought we were the owners of the planet, thinking we could do whatever we wanted, but everything in the universe has to remain in balance. From the position of our alien brothers and sisters orbiting planet Earth, they can clearly see what we humans have done to this planet. Destruction of planet Earth until the last bit of salvation is gone. This process was stopped in 2014. Now Gaia is refocusing herself. She has begun to transform all negative energies to love and light. And with all this vigor, she is repairing every part of her earthly body for ascension. The spirit of Gaia is the spirit of Earth and is already in the fifth dimension, but the physical part of the planet is still missing, because the transformation of the planet is neither simple nor easy. It needs all the evil that has been done to be corrected, transformed, transmuted into positive energy, so that every particle of the planet can ascend to the fifth dimension. In the fifth dimension, planet Earth gets its renewed positive capacity for environment, biological food, happiness, which creates jobs for its salvation and purification. Today's gross sales measure is redundant, because spending money is just an illusion, just like figures on the value of shares or real estate, etc. People are beginning to realize their true life purpose, which has been forgotten by most. Individual ability will be the only limit. People are learning to think independently, to do things innovative ways. Most, if not all, existing parameters will be obsolete. The meaning and recognition of the value of money will be totally different from that of today. Everyone will have enough money to live on. There will be no need to take advantage of others or steal to buy anything. Personal wealth will be the only limit. Everyone will be free, allowed to pursue any hobby and work wherever and whenever they want. 𝗧𝗪 is designed to remove poverty and all its resultant ills from 3D Earth during the transition phase. The chants will not be made for the sake of poverty, but as part of the plan to provide comfort and protection. This will raise people's consciousness to enjoy pleasure and happiness. 5D is the beginning of our new positive world. Planet Earth is one of the most abundant celestial bodies in the universe. There is more than enough gold and silver as money on Earth for everyone to be a millionaire without debt of any kind. The bottom line is that 𝗧𝗪 is more than a financial event. It signifies a new era that will soon dawn. Once it actually begins, it will be the definitive end of the deep state and its puppets. It will be the beginning of our new positive 5D world. This massive change brings major change to the destiny of humanity. It brings visible and undeniable feelings of joy and bliss. People feel better when their radiant faces spread light, while the sleeping sheep will not know why. When asked when this will happen, planetary transition happening now. The planetary home is being adjusted to the new frequencies, as everything is now accelerating for Earth's transition from 3D to 5D. Many still do not understand the dimension of a planetary transition, and this makes it even more difficult to understand the implications of this ascension process. In fact, we are in the very last stage of this transition, and therefore many things are happening simultaneously. These are all necessary events for energetic adaptation, both for the physical body of humans and for planet Earth called Gaia. The long-term wounds and damage we have inflicted on Gaia's body have resulted in negative energy forces that now need to be purified. All natural phenomena are nothing but the result of this purification. The winds, tides, rains, and so many other events should be seen as the natural cleansing of Gaia's body. When a true cleansing is needed, the worst phenomena that occur are earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, tornadoes, or extreme rainfall leading to floods, or severe drought causing uncontrollable fires. Greenhouse gases are a scam. Man-made global warming is a fantasy concocted by global warming fanatics. Climate change is happening, as always, and is inevitable. The same cannot be said of the unspeakably irresponsible proposals of couple paid scientists, whose egos far exceed their knowledge. What is desired is not a carbon cap and trade, but an economic cap and trade. Message for humanity. Unfortunately, humanity has descended much further than originally thought, as evidenced by the numerous negative reactions to a very positive message about our liberation. It is exactly what Mark Twain concluded. In a negative world, it is easier to deceive people than to convince them that they have been deceived. Most people have become accustomed to living in the 3D world of deception, but negativism is now coming to an end, as only 1/3 of the population is able to ascend to the 5D world, having learned all the lessons. However, any embodied soul can choose the path to continue in the 3rd or 5th dimensional world. Well, however, it should be noted that those who have ascended have chosen the positively evolving new 5D world. Beyond this 5-dimensional world is a vast space of timeless infinity. It is the middle ground between light and dark, science and superstition. At the bottom, fear, and at the top, knowledge. In other words, the dimension of imagination, or twilight zone. Take this message to heart, copy, print, and spread it virally. It is a good help to pass this information on to everyone you know, so that many will be prepared for the immense chance to come.